In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Photopea error code 504 with 4 quick troubleshooting methods. This error usually means that Photopea or a connection between your browser and the Photopea server took too long to respond. In many cases, the problem is temporary, but it can also be caused by browser extensions, corrupted cache files, cookies, DNS issues, or an unstable internet connection. If this guide helps you get back into Photopea, remember to like the video and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Let's get started. The first solution is to refresh the Photopea page. Open Photopea in your browser and reload the page by pressing F5 on Windows or Command and R on a Mac. You can also click the refresh button near the browser's address bar. Refreshing clears a temporary connection hang-up and forces the browser to request the Photopea page again. Wait a few seconds after refreshing and check whether the editor loads normally. If the error appears again, try doing a hard refresh. On Windows, you can usually press Ctrl, Shift, and R. On a Mac, press Command, Option, and R. This reloads the page while requesting fresh files from the server. If refreshing does not fix the problem, the next step is to try Photopea in Incognito or private browsing mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N in Chrome or another supported browser. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. You can also open the private window through your browser's menu. Once the private window opens, go to photopea.com and try loading the editor again. Incognito mode is useful because it temporarily disables many stored browsing sessions and can help identify problems caused by extensions, ad blockers, or browser settings. If Photopea works in incognito mode, an extension may be interfering with the connection. Return to your normal browser window, open the extensions menu, and temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or other recently installed extensions. Then reload Photopea. You can enable the extensions again one at a time to find the one causing the issue. The third solution is to clear the cache and cookies for Photopea. Cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and cookies or local storage can sometimes interfere with server requests. Instead of clearing data for every website, it's better to remove the saved data specifically for photopea.com if your browser provides that option. To do this in Chrome, open Photopea, click the site information icon next to the address, select Site Settings, and choose the option to clear or reset the stored data if it is available. You can also open your browser's privacy settings, search for site data, find photopea.com, and remove its cookies and cached files. The exact wording may vary depending on your browser. After clearing the data, completely close the Photopea tab, open a new tab, visit photopea.com again, and test the editor. You may need to sign in again or restore certain browser preferences, but removing outdated local data often resolves loading and connection problems. The fourth solution is to check your network and DNS connection. Start by restarting your router. Unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and allow a few minutes for the connection to return. Then try loading Photopea again. If you're using Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or connect your computer with an Ethernet cable if possible. You can also switch to another internet connection to determine whether the problem is specific to your current network. For example, connect your computer to a mobile hotspot and visit Photopea. If Photopea loads on the hotspot but not on your regular Wi-Fi, the issue may involve your router, DNS provider, or network routing. Restarting the router may be enough, but you can also try switching to a public DNS service such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. Only change DNS settings if you're comfortable doing so, and make a note of your original settings before making changes. It's also worth checking whether Photopea is experiencing a temporary outage. Search for recent reports or check Photopea's official social channels if the website remains unavailable across multiple browsers and networks. If the service itself is having problems, waiting and trying again later may be the only solution. To quickly recap, first refresh Photopea or perform a hard refresh. Next, test the website in incognito mode and disable extensions if necessary. Then clear cached data and cookies for photopea.com. Finally, restart your router, test another connection, and check for DNS or service-wide issues. These steps should resolve most Photopea error code 504 problems without reinstalling your browser or changing complicated settings. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.